Hello. Now, for all of you who do sewing, tailoring, crafting, machine embroidery, everything else, how would you like to get a free membership on this website, thesewingguru.com? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. Now, first of all, I'm just going to tell you who I am. I am Michael Coates. I am the founder and creator of that website, thesewingguru.com. And what it is it teaches you how to do sewing and tailoring and crafting, machine embroidery, everything there in between. You name it to do with sewing and crafting, we do it. And it is all video based in a step-by-step format. So it's a really, really great way to learn. It really is. And it works. Believe you me, it works. So without further ado, let's have a look at what the Sewing Guru is. Now, as I said, the Sewing Guru is a video learning website. And it is massive. So what we're going to do is just have a look at the video index here. So we've got a new crafting section. We have here a complete sewing course for the beginner, sewing machine course for the beginner. We have lots and lots of different garment collections, as you can see here. Gents tailored trousers, tailored jacket, waistcoat. We have lots of extended collections, which includes pattern construction and measuring and everything. All of these are completely step by step. We have accessories collections, so knowing how to make a bow tie, a cummerbund, a classic day cravat, so on and so forth. We have a massive sewing alterations section. We have a big petwear course as well. And we have a large sewing crafts section as well, which includes the patterns for each one of these crafting projects and also a full machine embroidery course included there as well. Now, as you can see, the website is massive and it is really, really great. It's a fantastic sewing resource for any of you who want to learn how to do sewing, or if you want to brush up on all of your skills, or you want to do tailoring. You know, if you want to make a jacket like this, or a lady's jacket like that, we show you step by step of how to do that, and in any design and style that you so wish to do. So it is brilliant. So without further ado, let's have a look how you can get a free membership. So what I'm going to do is go back to the internet here. I'm going to press the home button. So what you want to do is type into Google thesewingguru.com or just the Sewing Guru, and this home page pops up. And all you do is you click free membership there. And what that does, it takes you to this form here. So you choose you put your first name in, first and last name in, you put your email address in, you choose your username, you choose your password, you just answer these anti-spam messages here and you click next. And what will happen is you will have signed up and your email, an email from us, will be sent to your email that you put in here. Now, of course, you'll be able to just log in because you'll have chosen your username and your password. So you'll have just chosen it anyway and you can just log in. Now, once you log in, this is what you go to. This is a free membership. So as you can see, you have access to the beginner sewing course, advanced lessons, you have access to pattern construction, a lady's tailored jacket, jeans, and all of the ones which do not have the arrow. The ones which have the arrow are the ones that you cannot see, and it would ask you to upgrade to a full membership. Now, we have a fantastic offer on at the moment. And I'm going to show you as well how you can get this offer. Now, here it is. It is 12 months full access for just $59.99. Or 6 months access for $39.99. So it's like paying for 2 months and getting 4 free. Or the yearly is like paying for 3 months only and you get 9 months free access. Now, as you can see, there's a countdown timer there. So, you know, once it's gone, it's gone. So be quick. Now, how you get this is when you sign up for a free membership, which I've just told you how to do. When you sign up for the free membership, we will email you that offer. So you won't lose out. You won't miss out. We'll email you that offer. It is a really, really great offer. Now, when you log into your free membership, so I'm going to go back, there is an offer on here to join for $66.99, which is also a fantastic offer. That's 12 months access for $66.99. But this promo is better because it's only $59.99. And we will email you that promo. Okay, so make sure you put your email address in and make sure it's correct because we will email you that promotional offer and then you can join for free. You can join, sorry, not for free, you can join and you can upgrade to a full membership. Now you will have access to every single project in there. And like I say, it's a massive website. It really is. It's great. So that's how you do it. Now also as well, we have a link in the description below this video where you can get free e-tips as well. I'm going to go back. Now what it is that again, you have this form here. Again, put your first and last name in there, your email address, choose a username, choose a password. And what will happen is your 15 free sewing e-tips, which are in a PDF download, will be added to your account. And you will be able to download them. So it will look, hang on a sec. Right, let's have a look at this a minute. The free, let's have a look. I'm going to just have a look at this a minute. Oh. It's within the manage. Oh, here we go. Manage your account. I was clicking the wrong link. So what will happen is it ends up in your resources here. So you would have your 15 sewing e-tips download here. And when you click that, you will be able to download all of the e-tips. And it's 100% free. So it's great. It really is. It's really, really great. So it's all free, 100% free. So join the Sewing Guru, completely free. You know, have a look around, have a look at all the videos. There's something like 22 full videos there that you can access completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. Put your email in and you'll get that. And we'll also send you that fantastic promotional offer. So if this is for you and you are very interested in that, go for it. Believe me, it's worth it. Because I tell you something, the Sewing Guru, if that was available when I was learning to sew, I would have absolutely loved it. So go for it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon again with possibly an even better offer again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.